hello Facebook. Not Facebook. Hello YouTubers. This is Joel here. Like I said, this is part 2 of the video. We had to cut this video in half because this unit might have been small, but it had a lot to go through, so we cut it in half. I used to be the firm. We are changing that to Southern Storage Treasures. So check out my channel. It's the same channel, just changed the name, Southern Storage Treasures. And so we're cleaning out this unit. So let's go back to digging and see what we got here. All right. Say thank you to my wonderful, wonderful wife for doing the video for me and helping me out. Yeah. So here's another one, and if you saw my other, I got another video where we started on this. This is part 2 of this unit. We had another one of these cart things right here. So we'll sell these at the thrift store. They'll sell pretty good, probably about $4, $5, something like that. So let's go through this box right here. Oh, maybe this might be a pretty decent box. These binders, brand new, good. I love to get these because we're starting to stock up. I pastor a church, and our children's minister every year in August, she does a back to school thing. We give away free books and notebook paper, give them a book bag. So those are going there. We'll donate all those to that. We got a little box here. Some interesting stuff in here. That's a Barack Obama calendar. Some personal items here. Personal items. 2008 calendar.
Trash.
Calendars. Yeah. Can't use them 2008, so we'll have to go through. There's some more little binders. We can use those for the back to school stuff. We'll go through this personal stuff here and see if we'll check this out when we get home. Cards, if there's some pictures in there, can't show those. There's notepads. We always hold on notepads. We always need notepads for stuff. Postcards. There's a Black Pearls journal. Might be some interesting stuff that we can check out on that. Then, what we like much in here, envelopes. We had a bunch of envelopes in the last one. This is cool. That is really cool. Check that out, y'all. It's a clock. It's a little watch clock. That is cool. Somebody in the Air Force or something. That's neat. I like that. Really cool right there. Did I say that's cool? That's cool. So anyway, like I said earlier, we found one of these plugs. This is a converter. They have been over in Europe or somewhere like that, wherever it is. But that's a converter to convert over from. Their plugs are different than ours, so they're in another country. So, what else we got here? One of those little memo pad things. Camera for the computer. That is cool. Keychain, books. They were in the Air Force. That's what that plane was about. They were in the Air Force. So, alright, neat little box there.
Put the lid back on it. The lid back on it.
Was there? Oh, there was a lid on it. What? Thank you. That's a this unit thing is leaking water off the air conditioner, so we don't want all that to get wet. That's a Leatherman pouch, so that'd be a few dollars. People buy that for their knife. Jeremy and George love their knives. So it's another. I got a little box here taped up. What we got? That looks like pictures. Pictures. Yep, picture frames. So, okay, picture frames in there. Put that back in there. Books. Okay. Alright, so that's what we got there. Put these back in here. Good little box right there. Good little box right there. Alright, so cups. Not much. Bottom of this got wet because of the air conditioning unit, so I've got to be real careful with it. Nasty. Looks like kitchen stuff. Pretty cool. Little stand, paper towel holder, and then kitchen stuff. You know, we'll just put all that together in a bag. Probably sell it for about $2, $3 or so. Land wrap, we'll keep that. That works at the house. Little M&M space. My wife loves the M&M stuff. Little tray thing there. That's pretty cool. Christmas cards. We ain't got my Christmas cards. Yeah. Yes. See? That's what I'm talking about. Ballet shoes. Shoes. I'm not going to give the name, but this was presented to someone. They actually had her name put on here, and I'm not going to give out the name on that. Looks like belts, chargers, all kind of chargers down in here. Let me see if I can get down this other part right here. It looks like they just took all this stuff and just threw it in a box bag and put it in the box. So
that looks like some of your packing.
Some of my packing, yeah. Yeah, that's about the way I pack a lot of times. Oh, that's a tray. That's pretty cool. That's heavy too. One of desk tray. Yeah. Desk tray, put your cards and pencils and stuff. There we go, for the computer. That's pretty cool. Yep, for the computer. That's pretty cool. Hadn't seen one of them before. There is some paper, construction paper. Be good for the kids. Let's see what's in this packet. Little book bag. So that's pretty much all that's in here. This is always, I got more than I really need, but
copy paper.
I always keep up with copy paper. Like I said, I pastor a church, so we keep up with that. We use a lot of copy paper there. This is a something for the telephone. Hook up to the telephone. So there's another bag. Let's see what's in this bag. That's why you keep digging. Another purse. Watch my other video, you see we had a bunch of purses. Some of them were new. That's just a card holder. Okay, yep, card holder. Pretty cool. Pretty neat. There's a little change purse. We found one of these earlier. If y'all know what this is for, it says auto transformer. This is and then get adjusted. You got your hand over the camera. Good?
Yeah.
Your hand ain't in front of it? You see me? Okay. But we got this tote right here. We got several little purse things in there. Another little thing. Check the purses. Always check. Make sure there's no money left in there. Nowhere. No money. No money. This is some nice little purses right here. I can't sell them down at the Joey's. I can always sell them on merch or on eBay or something like that online. So, or I can take them, like I said, I can take them over to the flea market, sell them over there. Little pad. I just want to go through all of these, check them, see if there's nothing. Another little beanie baby right there. Cards. These are cards that were never
Used?
Never used. Brand new cards that were never used. Might be something we can use. Notepads. We can always use notepads at the house. Always. Always. Notepads there. Photo album. That's a mouse pad thing. Weekly planner here. Nothing in there. There's some mail, personal items. We'll kind of look at that. So, alright. There's that box. Throw all these wallets back in there. Not a bad find. Not a bad find. We'll find little dollars right there, maybe, you know. Let's see what we got. Another box here. And always, oh yes, I can always use this tape. Always looking for tape. Got several rolls of that in here. Let's see what's in this bag. That's interesting. And right there's a lock. Not right there, but right there. I always use those locks. Let's see what we got in this. Interesting. Interesting. It's heavy, whatever it is. We'll wait for it. Auto transformer. Check it out. See what it is. I'll look more into it deeper later. Got another box here. Let's see what we got. Let's move this one so you can see what we got going on in this one. Look like little hacky-sack balls. There's some DVDs in there. There's some paperwork. We'll go through it. I'm gonna try to recap on that. There's some notebooks in there, DVDs, CDs, in that bag. DVDs, not too bad for me if they're in there. I get $1.99 for them at the thrift store. Highlighters. So, yep, that's what's in that one. here, baby.
What is it?
Looks like some kind of cologne or something. Let me get my. I like to watch What the Hells. Jeremy. What the Hells. They're the ones that really got me into doing my YouTube stuff. Them and Jeebus. Jeebus Treasure Hunters. My wife says she gets tired of me watching that stuff, but it's fun. I've just started watching Storage Auction Pirates and Storage Stalkers. A lot of them guys, they're real fun. I love to watch them, so they're real interesting. So, oh, no, it's not clone. Got some interesting stuff in here. And I started watching them on how to do my YouTube videos. And so I'm hoping to build this up and just do something with it. So shout out to you guys. Hey, if any of you watch my videos, that would be cool. Give me a thumbs up, especially What the Hells and Jeebus. Y'all are, you know, I'm always watching y'all shows. So, strap, fan. Oh, look at here. While you're over there sweating, I'm cooling it. Cute little fan there. I better leave my little biscuit alone. Bunch of pins. Oh, that's a military police light right there. Oh, cool. Military police light right there. And there's a Porsche keychain. Wish I had a Porsche in here. My son does anyway. Some necklaces. That's cute. Looks like maybe there's a little light right there. Headphone chargers. Belt buckle. Belt buckle. Infantry. 1st Cavalry Division. Pretty cool. Cool belt buckle right there. Anybody know anything about those or what they might bring? Let me know. Somebody interested? Flash drive. It's a triple nickel. That's pretty cool. I'll have to check that out. So, anyway, that's what we got on that one. Put everything back in here. Shut her down. But anyway, we got shooting. Huh? What'd you say? Can't hear you. Oh. Anyway, for shooting, they work. I couldn't hear nothing. So, envelopes. There's some more of those coins I was talking about earlier. Pins. So, good little find right there and there. I like that. I like it. I like that. Jeremy and George put my knife back up. That's what they call it, a knife. Stick it here. So, t-shirt. Just a shirt. Look like some magazines. What do we got here? Okay. Don't want to show that.
Too much info.
Yeah. TMI. We'll just say that was a toy. So we'll leave it at that. Something we get rid of. So, all right. So, what I'm going to do is we're going to hit the pause button. We'll be right back. We got another whole corner to do. I'm going to load this stuff up, and then we'll come back and we'll hit the other stuff. Just hit that pause button for me, baby. We'll be right back.
Find it.
Bring it to me. I can cut it. Okay, so if anybody knows, I thought, oh, okay, I see what it is. This was a European transported over to American, so that's what that is. I see now. So, a little change purse there. Phone case. Piece baggie. What's in here? Okay. We got
Sound like change.
Hey.
Oh.
Hey. Oh, anyway. Hey, look, we got 2 sets.
What is it?
Handcuffs.
Oh, no, you don't need them this weekend. Remember what your mama told you.
Yes, handcuffs. Oh, look at here. You better behave. Anyway.
Not. Do I ever?
Alright. Interesting. You never know what you're going to find these days. Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse. Yes. Mickey Mouse. Stuffed animals. Yeah, some of them shoes. Get some of them.
What is it? Oh, that's high heels?
Yes, that's high heels.
No.
No, I don't think you'd be wearing those.
I'd be at the hospital.
So anyway, stuffed animals. We'll get that one. Oh wow, that's a really nice jacket. Still got the price. Nice.
The ladies?
Yeah,
What size is it?
that is a Wilson's leather jacket.
What size
Price
is-
tag
size-
$129.99.
what size is it?
It is a looks like a. It's a guess. That's what it is. It's a. It don't have a size. I don't see a size. Wow, $129 though.
Oh, I tried on.
Let's see. Yeah, I don't see a price. This may be something for the wifey poo there. If she can wear it. If not, then we'll sell it. But hey, nice. Very, very nice. Brand new, never been worn. Very nice. Medium. It's a medium. I see it right there now. So,